Listen, if you are not careful, your family and friends may be the downfall of your business. Yes, family and friends may be the downfall of your business. That's why they say there's no family, there's no friend in business. Learn to say no to the request of family and friends. Yes, learn to say no to the request of family and friends in the business. You just start the lonely business and now you are having so many requests of family and friends for help, for assistance, for comfort, for this and that, for pleasure. Learn to say no. Sometimes if they bring their clothes to your office to wash, insist they pay money. Even if they will not pay the same amount of as other people, let them pay something. Let something, it will show value, it will show respect. I just imagine some people say, learn to say no to some family and friends requests in the business. You know why? Because if the people receiving their request, one of the day it will backfire you, it will fall question, it will affect you. And they will now say, who have you empowered? Who do you help? All your money, how do you use it as? That's how human beings behave. Yes, that's how humans, they always behave. Don't please people with your business, your family and friends. Before you open your lonely business, they will be surviving. Before you open your business, there are somebody that is working for them and they pay for that, for their clothes. There are people that they go to iron and they pay for the ironing. So why is it that because you open your business now, they now begin to come, they now come as a charity organization? You don't want charity organization with your business. If you want to help them from your heart, you can do so, yes, but let it be limited, let it be minimal, because they will shock you, they will compress you, they will press you down, and I will not say, where is he? You don't plan life well. That is how it is. I have seen things, I have heard this. I am telling you this advice from the heart of a professional. Allow friends and family to pay money to you when they come to your office to work. If they bring to iron their jeans, to wash their clothes, their duvet, their bedsheet, yes, it could be. Don't charge them as you are charging others. But at least let something come out from their pocket to you. Because if you are not doing it 24, they can go to another place. And if they go to another place, they will pay money. So why can't they pay money to you? Why can't they pay money to you? But if they went to other place to do this for work, they will pay money. But why reach your own now? Alpha, my guy. They won't pay you, but they will pay for other people. But you yourself, if they are the one doing this thing, you will not go there and say Alpha. You will pay. They will say, I beg, pay. Sometimes you give discount to your neighbors around you. Alpha na boss, I want my clothes. Neighbors, you give a discount. You iron for 500 naira. They come and say, I give it 100 naira. No, you are neighbors. But if this neighbor is the one selling rice, selling food stuff in the next street there, and you want to go and buy Indomie or buy rice or buy beans or buy anything, this neighbor will not remove money for you. This neighbor will not remove 1 naira for you. No, he will say, things cost, things your. But your own, you are doing it as a free. You see, I know what I'm saying. Always take money from the hand. If it were to charge them as a charging people, then subtract some things from inside. You get? I'm not angry with you helping your neighbor, help your family, help your friend. But I've seen things where family and friends press a company down, they suppress the person down because he was doing the no stamp. He was trying to help to please to you cannot please everybody. Even if you do 99.9 good, 1% of bad, they will still label you as a person. So just be yourself. Just be yourself. Yes. Thank you for the video. Once again, this is Pounds Laundry Academy. If you are new to my channel, kindly like this video, share it, and do a thought in this conversation. What is your perspective about this thing? Has this happened to you before? Let us know and we will learn from it. Don't forget to share this video to those who may like it. And if you want to grow your learning business, or you wish to start a learning business, check out my YouTube channel at Pounds Laundry Academy. There are some videos there that will help you to grow. And if I tell to be part of our academy, send me a DM and I'm interested. I'll come back to you Peace out. Bye.